Understanding the phrase, rubber arm. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the interesting phrase, rubber arm. It's a phrase that's not as straightforward as it seems, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll be using it like a native. Rubber arm is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who can be easily persuaded or influenced to do something, often something they initially resisted. It's as if their arm is made of rubber and can be bent in any direction. Imagine trying to say no to a slice of cake, but then, someone convinces you to have it. That's the rubber arm effect in action. The phrase is believed to have originated from sports, particularly baseball, where a pitcher with a rubber arm can throw many pitches without getting tired. Over time, it's taken on a metaphorical meaning, suggesting someone's ability to be flexible or easily swayed. Let's see how rubber arm is used in everyday conversation. I didn't want to go out tonight, but I have a rubber arm, and my friends easily convinced me. She said she was on a diet, but she's got a rubber arm when it comes to dessert. Use this phrase when talking about situations where someone is convinced to change their mind. It's usually used in a light-hearted context, so it's perfect for casual conversations. And that's a wrap on rubber arm. Now you know how to use this phrase to describe someone's persuadable nature. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has made your understanding of English idioms a little more flexible. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.